Hi guys, welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'd like to talk about this particular error that occurs when you are using styled components with UI libraries. So in this case, the error is telling us that there is an unknown property in React. And what is happening is that we are passing a property to a styled component or a UI library, which has been styled using styled components. But that property that we are passing in, which in this case is hidden BG, is then passed on to the DOM itself. Hence, we are having this particular error that the DOM React does not know about. So, which can be quite problematic if you have a lot of these errors all over your application. In order to fix this issue, we use something called transient props. So transient props are props that you just want style components to consume and not being passed down to the DOM. Hence, in that case, if you want to fix this particular issue, we then add this $sign. So you add the $sign to the hidden big G. Also over here, we add it to this, and also over here. So once we've added these transient props, the error goes away and we no longer have that particular problem. So I wanted to talk about this particular issue because it's not really clear in the docs. You have to go through quite a lot of stuff. You have to go through the frequently asked questions, then move on to find out this is the transient props, then API. So it's not clear right from the get-go in their documentation. You have to go through a lot of process. And if you don't really have time or anything like that, it can be quite frustrating to see those errors all over the place. Yeah. So that's all I will have for this particular video. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.